See, yeah, law and order situation shows that the Home Department and the Chief Minister has failed since he holds that portfolio. It is, if you look at the number of murders, rapes, molestation cases, वाढवत आहे because हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता there is no coordination. The police department, although they are capable, they are not been given a free hand. ये जे drugs आणि हे सगळ्यो ज्यो आतां गोंयभर जे भोंवताय फ्रॉम नॉर्मल जे पयलीं बिचीर आसताले आज हिंटरलँडा भोंवताय and under the influence of drugs and under the influence of alcohol, all these law and order situations are taking place. So this Pramod Sawant government has failed miserably to control the law and order situation. Day in, day out, there is a murder. Day in, day out, there are molestation things happening. So why is this happening? This is a very serious issue. It is going to be, we are known as a touristic state. It will also affect our touristic prospects. જે ટુરિઝમમાં આમ ફામાદ है Goa should not be known as a state murder state. It is being known today as a, it is moving towards that. So हुई ना हुई हे अंधा कानून जालता दिसता काय हेच ना कोणा पोण गेल ना ड्रग्स हे आओ खाओ मौजा मारो मोते भाषी सोले गोबोर जाले कोण दोलो काय लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिच्युएशन इज बिकमिंग फ्रॉम bad to worse.